Want baby soft skin? What better ingredient than baby oil to help you? Mix some with sugar and scrub in gentle circular motions. Don't get too rough, be as gentle as you would with a baby. The sugar will exfoliate while the baby oil repairs and moisturizes your skin, leaving it not only glowing but shiny and smooth too. Rinse away pigmentation whenever you bathe. Take a pinch of turmeric and mix it into your shower gel. You want enough that it colors your shower gel, but not so much that you leave the shower looking like a minion. Lather it on your body and rinse. This way you get 4-in-1 benefits while bathing. The shower gel will cleanse while the turmeric brightens, fades pigmentation, and prevents body acne too. Wave goodbye to cracked feet and hands using petroleum jelly. Make it extra effective by mixing it with our favorite dry skin fighter, olive oil. Mix equal quantities of both and massage it on your hands and feet. Cover up with socks and gloves if you have them to lock in the moisture. Wake up to the smoothest skin you've ever had with no sign of cracks or flakes. Dealing with product buildup that makes your hair oily at the roots and dry at the ends? You need a deep cleansing hair and scalp detox. Mix the usual amount of shampoo that you use with enough coffee powder to create a thick paste. Use it to scrub away all the gross gunk that's clogging your scalp. Coffee powder will remove buildup from your hair, stimulate your hair follicles, and boost growth too. Sometimes we say the E in vitamin E stands for everything because it has so many uses. But our favorite is to banish dark circles. Mix 1 vitamin E capsule with some aloe gel and gently massage it into your under eyes before sleeping. Vitamin E replenishes lost moisture under your eyes, making them look plump and revived, and the aloe helps it absorb easily. These easy DIYs will make you glow even on the laziest days. We hope you liked them. Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous. If you liked this video, click here to find another body care video, and if you love binging on skin and beauty content, click here. Make sure to also subscribe to Glamrs by clicking below and tap the bell icon while you're at it.